ओम हर हर नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव। ओम श्रीकांत द्रुहिणोपमन्युतपन स्कंदेन्द्र नंद्यादयः प्राचीना गुरवोऽपि यस्य करुणा लेशाद्गदा गौरवम् तं सर्वादिगुरुं मनोज्ञवपुषं मन्दस्मितालङ्कृतं चिन्मुद्राङ्कितमुद्रपाणिनलिनं चित्ते शिवं कुर्महे। ओम कोटिचंद्र प्रतीकाशं शिवं श्वेताभिधानकम् अहं वन्दे महादेवं शुभं चादिमदेशिकम्। ओम हां शिवाय परमगुरवे नमः। ओम हां ईशान शिवाचार्य परमगुरवे नमः। Namaskaram. With all due respect to the dignitaries, this is Rudresh here presenting this month's Nityarchana Vidhi presentation from Arunyanalaya Shri Shivachalesha Veda Shivagama Siddhanta Shastra Patashala. Srimad Karanagamam Purva Bhage Trimshat Patalaha Nityarchana Vidhi. Nityarchana Vidhi lays down the procedure for performing the daily pujas to Lord Shiva. आगम भेदम शैवंतु द्विविधम ज्ञेयम कला कल विभेदतः. Shaivagamas categorizes Shaivism into two, Kalam and Akalam. Shrutihi Kalam vai Shiva Garbham Syat Akalam Rishi Garbhakam. Kalam, also known as Shaiva Brahmanas, are those directly chosen by Shiva himself through Shaiva Srishti and Diksha in order to ordain him. Those beings created by rishis who have obtained the grace and ordained so by Lord Shiva are called as Akalam. In other words, Brahma Srishti like Vipras, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras are called as Akalam. Kalaproktam Pratishtha Nityam Pujanam Prokshanam Tatha. The puja or the sacred ceremony performed to direct each and every divine energy to a very specific place is called Pratishtha. It is of four types. Anavartanam is done while consecrating a new temple. Avartanam is done for temples where puja has been discontinued and resumed. Punaravartanam is done in cases where building or idol or vimanam has been damaged and rectified. Antaritam is done in cases when an idol is defiled and has to be purified. The above mentioned kriyas, including the sthapana kriyas related to bhera, sthupi, dvajastambham, ratha, deepastambha, are performed solely by Shivacharyas. Nityam Pujanam. All the routine puja rituals like Snanam, Tarpanam, Shivarchanai, Agnikaryam, Kala Pujai, etc. are to be performed by Shivacharyas. Prokshanam Tatha, Nityangam. Prayashchittam kriyas like replacing Ashtabandhanam medicine, Pavitrotsavam, Shivaratri, Ardhodayam, Mahodayam, Krishnashtami, Shuklashtami, Amavasai, Paurnami, Makara Shankranti, Surya Grahanam, Chandra Grahanam, etc. are to be performed by Shivacharyas. Kalaproktam Utsavadini Sarvani Kamya Karmani Yani Cha. Utsavadini Sarvani Naimittikam. Naimittika puja or ceremonies performed to worship deity in grandeur. For example, Pratishthai, Dikshai, Mahotsavam, Navakalasa Snapanam, Sahasra Kalasa Snapanam, and other Prayashchitta prayers are performed by Shivacharyas. Kamya Karmani Yani. Kamya pujas are performed by Shivacharyas to meet the individual desires such as the needs of king, country, friends, relatives, children for their health, success, to get rid of diseases, to alleviate the negative influences of the planetary positions. Kalaproktam Tani Sarvani Karyani Kale Natu Visheshataha Tani Sarvani Karyani. All the previously mentioned kriyas are performed only by Shivacharyas as mentioned in the Agamas. The present day line of thinking that all sections of people can do all these pujas in not sanctioned in our texts. Karanagamam points out clearly that all the kriyas related to the temple should be done as per the agamas only, and the agamas are the sole authority, and the government has no saying in it. Our Indian constitution also support this. Kale natu visheshataha. Agamas mention that Shivacharyas are those authorized to perform the above mentioned kriyas. This does not indicate that the agamas are prejudiced or biased towards any particular caste or creed. It merely asserts that temple related works are to be done by the Shivacharyas. Akala Proktam. Shastrarchanam Kshudrabimbam Pujanam Chanya Pujanam Sveshtalingarchanam Grame Devataradhanam Tatha Akalena Prakartavyam Shaiva Tantranusarina Nityam Naimittikam Kamyam Varjaniyam Pararthake. Those categorized as Akalam who are Brahma Srishti like Vipras, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras are entitled to follow their Shastras such as Shruti, Smriti, Puranas, texts by Arulalargal, Ardhashastra, Yuddhashastra, etc. After getting their Dikshai, they can perform Anmartha Pujai, Ishtalinga Pujai, Gramadeva Pujai, etc. in such manner prescribed in the Agamas. But still they aren't advised to perform Nitya Naimittika Kamya Pujas, that is Parartha Pujai, in a temple constructed as per Agamas. Parartha Pujyatam. Karshanadi Pratishtantam Adi Shaivena Karayet. In a temple, all kriyas from Karshanam, Salyodharanam, Vastu Shanti, Adyashtika, Shankusthapanam, Padavinyasam, temple renovation, consecration, Nitya Naimittika Kamya Pujas are to be performed solely by Adi Shaiva as per the procedure mentioned in Agamas. Adi Shaivodbhavam. सदाशिवाख्यस्य शिवस्य वक्त्रे ये दीक्षिताः कौशिककाश्यपाद्याः तेषां मुनीनां विधिवत्क्रमेण जाता शिवब्राह्मणनामधेयाः कौशिकादि ऋषिस् Kaushika, Kashyapa, Bharatvaja, Gautama and Agastya originated from the face of Sadashivam, having been already initiated by Lord Shiva himself. From these 5 rishis originated other rishis, namely Durvasa, Ruru, Dadhichi, Shweta and Upamanyu. From these rishis originated the lineage of Shiva Brahmanas. Panchashaivodbhavam. Anadishaivassa Shivaha, Adishaiva Shiva Dvijaha, Mahashaivantu Vipranam, Anushaivantu Bhubhujam, Avantarantu Shudranam, Panchashaivodbhavam Kramat. This means Anadishaivar indicates Lord Shiva. Adishaivar indicates Shiva Brahmana. Mahashaivar indicates Vipras. Anushaivar indicates Kshatriyas and Vaishyas. Avantara Shaivar indicates Shudras. Shaiva Lakshanam. Sarvesham Bhasmadharinam Shaivam Sarvasamuchayam. All those who have Vibhuti adorned on their forehead are Shaivars. Irrespective of caste, creed, they belong together. Ekaiki Bhavam. Adau Yena Shivenaiva Niyuktopi Shivadvare Adavanadi Shaivena Dikshitastwadi Shaivakaha Shivamutpatyate Shaivam Shaivanotpatyate Shivaha Shivashaivaike Rupatva Shiva Brahmana Uchyate. Since inception, Lord Shiva created Adishaivas from his face and initiated them himself in order that they perform pujas for him. Shaivam originated from Shivam and Shivam came from Shaivam. Shaivam and Shivam gave rise to Shiva Brahmanas. I request all the elders present to kindly excuse any flaws in my speech. It is barely 6 months since I joined this Patashala because I was very much interested and repeatedly requested my Guru. He magnanimously accepted and gave me this opportunity to do this presentation. I thank each and everyone. Namaskaram.